Traders, how are you? Rick here with Hit Run Candlesticks. Today's date is May 5th, 2021. It's Wednesday. Market closed about 12 minutes ago. I want to do a really quick video for you. What we're going to end up doing is talking about our PTON trade this morning. But first, I want to talk about the market just a little bit, okay? Man, I got to tell you, I'm hearing from so many people, what to do. Look, this market is extremely choppy and extremely dangerous. And if people were to be truthful with themselves and everyone else, I would bet that there's more traders losing money than there are traders making money. And that should tell you something. That should tell you that this market is not the best of markets to be trading. So it's okay not to trade for a couple of days or for a couple of weeks for that matter, okay? What's more important than making money is to preserving what you have. We have years to trade. Or if you want to break it down to months, if you count your year from January 1, this is only May. There's plenty time to trade. We don't have to trade every day. Okay, enough of that. Market is very, very choppy. The SPY. When I say market, I refer to the SPY. That's what I'm referring to. I think we're very, very choppy here. Now, in the trading room just a little while ago, I said, look, I am still bullish this market, but that does not mean that something should be bought, okay? We need to wait till we see a little improvement. Now, we're going to go look at a couple other charts here real quick. Diamonds, there it is. Diamonds acted pretty good today. I mean, overall, I think they're doing a great job. Nice chart pattern. We tested up here. We actually broke out a little bit, but we settled back down. But no real big sign of selling here. I think the big problem is in the Qs. This is the problem. The Qs moving down, FNGU moving down. So let's just stop right here for a second. The SPY has the FANG stocks in it, and the FANG stocks, well, they just kind of suck in palm water right now. And until they perk up, until we see this thing start to perk up a little bit, the SPY is just not going to climb much higher. So we really need to see this happen. Now, if we do start to bounce here, I don't know that I would get too excited until we actually break out of some kind of trend in here, or at least something like this. We want to see we've got our low. So if we started to bounce, we want to see a high somewhere. And I don't know where that high is going to be. Some high somewhere. We want to see a test, and we want to see buyers come back in, and we want to break out of that high. And this will start us on a little trend. At least that's what I would look for. That's what I'm going to look for. So it's not the first move that I'm going to get excited about. The only positive that I have in the in the FANG stocks right now, or the Qs, is that yesterday was a low, and today we failed to make another low. Now, honestly, like I said, that's the only positive that I see, and that's a piss poor positive. Okay, that it really is. So there is nothing about this chart that suggests we're just going to start taking off and being bullish. This is a time to be cautious, very, very cautious. I want to look at one more chart, and we'll go talk a little bit about our PTON chart. I want to look at VX, there we are, the CBOE Market Volatility Index. And these are some possible areas that I'm going to look for a little bit of maybe resistance. They're not important for right now, okay? What I do want to do is I want to take price out of the picture. Take price out of the picture. And let's just look at the T-line and the Trendicator here. And you can see, let me get rid of these up here. kind of bugging me. There we are. You can see that the Trendicator has been down. You see the red dots here. And now, just by looking at those two moving averages, you can see we flattened out a little bit. And you can see now the green dots. The Trendicator has turned to green, and the T-line is above the Trendicator. So, what's happening here is we're getting a little bit of a rounded bottom. Now, that's giving me a little bit of concern. That is giving me some concern. Now, I don't feel the market is in a massive danger until we start, and you know, whether it's over, you know, in fact, I'm going to get rid of that. There we go. Until the market breaks above this line right here, I'm not going to give the market, I'm not going to be overly concerned. So we're going to need to break above this line right in here. And whether it does it maybe tomorrow, boom, we have a problem. If it wants to just kind of march along a little bit and then break out over here, we have a problem. We don't want to be above that line. If we do, that's going to cause the market a little bit of issue. There are a couple of places here it might stop. This resistance might push it back down. The VIX here, but it might not. And like I say, if we get above this line, then I'm going to take a little bearishness a little bit seriously. But right now, I'm going to stay mostly to the bullish side with a massive amount of caution, massive amount of caution, to the point of fewer positions, fewer positions, and less invested in those positions. In fact, tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to be taking off, and I'll be gone all day Friday. So really, tomorrow is going to be like my Friday. So I'll be eliminating what I can, taking what profits, what I can, just figuring out what I'm going to do there, and going to the weekend somewhat light. Now, I will have the ability Friday to maybe do a little trade here or there, or something like that, but I won't be in the trading room. Bottom line, let's watch the VIX here and watch this area right in through here. Watch that line right there. Okay, so let's bring the price back up. There we go. Oh, let's look at PTON. Here we go. So here's the thing with PTON. This morning, I saw on my phone an app. I've got the CNBC app, which I'm sure so many people have. And I saw it flash through that PTON, what they're recalling a bunch of their workout machines, you know, their dangers that they had here. They recalled them. Well, we were, I don't know, in this area right here. And I quickly put a put on, and boom, down we go. Now, I have closed that put, made a nice percentage on this. Absolutely wonderful. The reason I close it is it has earnings tonight. So I just, or it's tomorrow. I'm sorry, tomorrow. Tomorrow it has earnings. And I just did not want to be in a chart with earnings. So it was a quick one-day trade that we just took advantage of, saw the news on it, and boom, made some bucks on it. I posted it out immediately to all of the folks that have our app. And man, I got some great reports back of people that took advantage of that trade, and they made some money as well. So congratulations to everybody that did that. If you're still in it, man, I hope this thing just tanks for you tomorrow. I really do. But just because earnings, it's not worth it to me. So I'm out. Alrighty. It's short and sweet today. I don't have any trade ideas today. I do not believe the market is worthy of that. I really don't. We closed our XLE today, made a great percentage on that, closed that out. We're still holding KMI. That still looks pretty good. to the long side. I'm holding JMIA a put on this. That still looks pretty good. So maybe we get a little move to the downside tomorrow, and that'll be nice. And then I'm still holding some NIO, Nikola, Nokia, and Telray as well. Those, I'm underwater on those right now. So, wow. 10-minute video. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, if you can share it with other folks, please do. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you hear. If you have questions or anything, you can certainly email me at rick@hitandruncandlesticks.com. If you go to the website, at the very top, there's a Contact Us. You can click on that and address it to me. That'd be perfectly fine as well. And be sure to check out our social media platform, LinkedIn, Twitter. We have a Facebook page and a Facebook group page. So I hope you join. We even have an Instagram page. I hope you join in on those. All right. Everybody take care. Have a wonderful day. You won't hear from me tomorrow or this weekend, in fact. Maybe this weekend. Have a great few days coming up, okay? Take care. Thank you.